Here we have train 877. Getting close. You're not. Here's MARC train 877 headed by an MP36. And it looks like he's got mostly 8,000s. 8,000. 5 of them. 5 coaches long, mostly 8,000s. Main lead locomotive headed by MP36, number 19. Got 7701 up front. The second coach is 8014. In the middle is 8092, as usual. On this one. Here we're going to keep it on 8014 until 19's passengers get moving. Now finally, 19 of the 8,000s will continue. And this is next to last. Behind 8092. Is 8001. Cab car on this train, 8048. 8049. Heading on towards Brunswick. End of the line. But it ain't done for me until he disappears around the bend on track 1 towards the tunnel. Watch that. Now 19 and the 8,000s continue. Okay. Oh, turn right. Now I can